Hello tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into an exciting journey, exploring the world of Windows 10 emulation on Android devices. Whether you're a gamer, a developer, or just someone who loves experimenting with technology, this video is tailored just for you. We'll uncover the magic behind running Windows 10 applications on your Android device, making your mobile experience more versatile than ever. So, buckle up as we step into the realm of emulators, where possibilities are just a tap away. First, let's break down what emulation is and how it works. Emulation is the process of mimicking the hardware of one computer system on another, allowing software exclusive to the first system to run on the second. In our case, it's about bringing the robust Windows 10 environment to the compact and mobile-friendly Android platform. Why would someone want to run Windows 10 on an Android device, you ask? The answers are manifold. For gamers, it's about playing those PC-exclusive titles on the go. For developers, it's testing apps across different systems without needing multiple devices. And for the tech-savvy, it's simply the thrill of pushing boundaries. Next, we'll guide you through the top Windows 10 emulators available for Android. We'll discuss their features, performance, and how they stack against each other. From the popular Limbo PC emulator to the versatile Exagere, we've got you covered. We'll also touch on the setup process, giving you a clear path to get started. Installing a Windows 10 emulator on Android can be tricky, but fear not. We'll walk you through the essential steps, from downloading the emulator app to configuring Windows 10 within it. Plus, we'll share some pro tips to enhance your experience, ensuring smooth and efficient emulation. To bring our discussion to life, we'll showcase real-life use cases of Windows 10 running on Android devices. Witness the versatility as we demonstrate productivity apps, games, and development tools all functioning seamlessly on a smartphone or tablet. The world of emulation opens up a universe of possibilities, and running Windows 10 on Android is just the beginning. Whether it's for productivity, entertainment, or simply exploring tech marvels, the power is now in your hands. So experiment, explore, and enjoy the blend of Windows and Android ecosystems. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Have questions or experiences with Windows 10 emulation on Android? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you.